Hey guys, it's Eva Rankin. Welcome back to REVOLVE's beauty channel. Today we're doing something really fun. We're gonna do a celebrity inspired makeup look. For me, celebrities makeup at the minute is all about enhancing your natural features and kind of looking as effortless as possible while still looking gorgeous. So that's what we're gonna do today. So I'm just going in with some skin prep. This is one of my favorite moisturizers. It's the Tower 28 Daily Barrier Recovery Cream. I think the key to a good celebrity makeup look is a really good base with your skincare. I feel like celebrities always take extra good care of their skin. So I'm just making sure my skin looks and feels really hydrated. And I also love that this moisturizer is really good for your barrier. All the Tower 28 beauty products are available on REVOLVE, and I go through all of it so quickly because I'm just so obsessed. So I feel like I'm always reordering on REVOLVE because it comes so quickly, which I love. All the celebs are doing the eye patches, so I had to include my favorite from Summer Fridays. These are the jet lag eye patches. It's felt quite fitting for a celeb. I feel like you're always jet lagged as a celebrity, so I'm going with these. And these are really nice to do before makeup to really hydrate and soothe your under eye before you go in with any product. Okay, while I'm soaking up all the goodness from those, I'm gonna go in with my favorite brow gel. This one has been on my rotation for weeks and I love it. It's the Kosas Air Brow. And once I use this, my brows do not budge all day. And it has a really small spoolie, which I love because you can really get in there with every little eyebrow hair. I personally feel that celebrities always have quite nice groomed eyebrows, so this just really helps to give them that gorgeous groomed look. So for part of this look, I want my skin to look really effortless but still flawless. So I'm going in with the Summer Fridays Sheer Skin Tint. I'm using shade 5 as I'm a little more tan at the moment. And I just like to use a little bit of this to really even out my skin tone and make it look so healthy and glowy. And I just use Summer Fridays brush to blend this in. This is just your skin but better, which I feel like all the celebrities are going for with their makeup at the moment. I'm now going in with the Skin Mimetic concealer from Make Beauty, and I'm going to take this under my eyes and just in any other areas that I would like a little more coverage. So I like to brighten just here too, and here and here. This concealer just blends like a dream. Really brightens your under eyes without looking too cakey. Okay, I'm gonna overline my lips a little and make them look pouty and very model off duty. So I'm gonna go in with Unbuttoned from Kosas. This is their hot liner. I love these, they stay on so long, and this shade is just a really nice natural kind of lip color. When I overline, I just overline in the center of my lips. So I'm going to show you now. So I overline just here. You can see it's nearly exactly the same shade as my lips. And then I overline the Cupid's bow. And then I'll just match up the rest of my lips. And I feel like that just really looks like your lips, but better. Very rosy Huntington Whiteley, very pouty, and very gorgeous. I also feel that lash lifts and natural lashes and curly fluttery lashes are really in right now. So for mascara, I just want to go in with something simple. So I'm going to use Bad Girl Bang from Benefit in their brown shade. And I'm just going to lightly go over my lashes here just to give them a little bit more definition. But again, keeping it very simple and just very much enhancing what's already there. And I really love using brown mascara as an alternative, just if you don't want the mascara to look so intense. I do feel like it makes quite a big difference. Next, I'm going to enhance my tan with this Hoola bronzer. For that real celeb, just been on vacation, gorgeous glow. And I kind of just take this across my face and my nose where the sun would naturally hit. And then I'm also adding some of the Blush Butter Balm from Summer Fridays in Toasted Terracotta, which really gives you that post-vacation glow. And I just kind of take this up and it really lifts my face, which I love to do. I'm gonna add my favorite lip butter from Summer Fridays. This is in Vanilla Beige, and this is just gonna give you a really nice glossy nude lip on top of the liner. And here is the final look. This feels very Hailey Bieber, Bella Hadid, very simple, sun-kissed, gorge, and all the products I used are really like healthy and glowy and just give you that celebrity look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to Revolve Beauty's channel so we can share more videos with you guys, and everything I used will be linked in the description and is available to shop on revolvebeauty.com.